Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the World CSR Day. We are very proud to be associated with this cause. This has always been close to our heart over the years, and we have been practicing this straight from the heart. Though the legal mandate came in recently, that was in 2013, but we have been practicing this over the years. As you know, the guest speaker mentioned that each and every business has to be a responsible one. We have been practicing that in India. We always believe that any citizen, any human being, any corporate citizen, which is a company, must always have the objective to ensure that apart from the shareholders, employees, you take care of the environment and the social issues. Our country has been growing. There is a lot in terms of good things which is happening in terms of the development. But we have number of issues, whether it is poverty, water, sanitation, girl child, women empowerment. All those issues are there, and one cannot leave the entire thing, that, okay, the government will take care. We and our board has always felt that each one of us has to play a role. And that is why, in our entire thing, we have 3 pillars which are strongly working. It's go teach, go help, and go green. We are practicing that. It's good now that with the introduction of Companies Act, that amendment which says that companies need to spend 2% of their profit on the corporate social responsibility. They have given number of heads where this money can be spent, which is good. I think this is not something which it puts a moral responsibility on corporates. In case those corporates who are not spending on this will have to justify in their annual report that what was a rationale or reason why they could not do that. So it's very, very good, put a lot of moral responsibility. They haven't defined the penalties as of now, which is again, but it encourages people to follow the right path. As you know, when this issue came in of 2%, our board was the committee on the CSR was of the view that it is not relevant for us. If we need to spend more, we'll spend more. We must have the right cause where we need to spend, where the entire thing gets, a real purpose gets fulfilled. So even if it is 2.5% to 3% or more, doesn't matter. So that is the mandate we as a Blue Dart have, that it's just a guiding number. We need to be looking at how we can address and create the transformation in the country which is badly required. So, these are the philosophy which we have, and we are very happy to be associated, and it's our pride. And we will have good learning today from the global best practices, and I'm sure each one of you will have learning as we will be learning today, plus opportunity to interact and see how you can further improve your process. So what I'll do is I'll just open up. I'm sure you will be eagerly waiting for the speakers.